Hello, Namaste. I'm Dr. Bhujang Shetty, eye specialist. Diwali is a festival of lights and not a festival of crackers. Avoid crackers totally if possible.
Explain to your children the precautions necessary to play with crackers.
Make sure you're using protective glasses and you're wearing cotton clothes while firing crackers.
Keep the firecrackers away from the lit lamps, diyas and candles.
Maintain a distance of arm's length while lighting firecrackers.
Crackers contain carbon, sulfur, manganese and other harmful chemicals which can damage your eyes.
Keep the fireworks away from your face, hair and clothing. Never hold firecracker and ignite them.
In case of injury to the eye, do not take any medications at home without consultation.
Any chemical falls into your eye, remember to first immediately wash your eyes.
Do not neglect any injuries. However trivial it may be, make sure you consult an eye surgeon. Make sure there are no vision-threatening complications.
May the coming Diwali enlighten the hearts, and may Diwali bring you a lot of prosperity and happiness. Happy Diwali to all of you.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Deepavali.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
દિવાળી અને બેસતા વર્ષની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ.
ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ದಿವಾಲಿ ಪರ್ವದ ಸೋಲ್ಮೆಲು.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
আপনাদের সবাইকে শুভ দীপাবলি.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯ ಆಶಂಸೆಗಳು.